Have you ever tried to access a main package from another package, only to hit a wall? It can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to connect different parts of your application. If that sounds like you, stick around, because today we're diving into this common issue. I totally get it. You want your TCP server and web server to communicate seamlessly through a main package, but it feels impossible when you encounter import errors. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I access the main package from another package?" They mentioned that their main file isn't in a directory, and they received an error saying, "Import is a program, not an importable package." Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? When you try to import a main file that isn't structured as a package, it can lead to confusion in the import system. Understanding how Go handles packages and imports is crucial for resolving this issue. And don't go anywhere. I'll share a solution that could simplify your project structure and make your servers communicate effortlessly. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. To access the main package from another package, the user should first ensure that the main package is structured correctly. The main package should be in its own directory, and the user should create a Go module for it. Next, the user should ensure that the other package can reference the main package correctly. This involves using the correct import path in the Go files of the other package. After setting up the import, the user should define the necessary functions or variables in the main package that need to be accessed. This will allow the other package to utilize them effectively. Finally, the user should build and run the application to test if the packages are communicating as expected. This will confirm that the main package is accessible from the other package. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of packages in programming helps keep our code organized and manageable? It's like having a well-structured closet instead of a messy room. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to pass a function call from the main package. They suggest creating a function in either the TCP or web server that accepts a value and then calling this function from the main package. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your project structure clean and organized. This not only helps with imports, but also makes your code easier to read and maintain in the long run. And there you have it. By restructuring your project and using the correct import paths, you can successfully access your main package from another package. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.